Hello, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome, Slacking Dad. Welcome, DJ Guns. Welcome, Cove. Are you doing cam views? Second? Oh, yeah. Well, no, I think it's third. I think you were third. How are you guys doing today? And ooh. Did you become a subscriber on your own channel, Cove? Or you're just testing the subscriber alert? So they are working. You could actually ask. I could actually trigger it myself. I think we do have... well, now we're definitely going to have in the event list. I don't think we did had any subscriber on Twitch. At least from when I actually started streaming. Harding Toe. Welcome, the Vic. Yeah, we definitely need to add support for those emotes on Lumia link, because I can see them in Lumiastream chat box. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, we're gonna need to test something because ooh, another follower. We'll need to test the shout out on Kick. Apparently for DJ Guns it doesn't work. So let me actually check your channel and see if you do have any clips, and I'm gonna give you a shout out. Let's see how that works. Let's move here for a second. So you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, let's go to Kick. Okay, you do have clips. And do we have here an overlay for the shout out? I don't think we have. Shout out. Let's see if we have it set up. We do have shout out and clips. Let's copy this URL and add it here. Okay. What was the size of it? Because I have a custom size. Yeah. All right. Good. And who can actually give a shout out? I think Lumia can give a shout out itself, right? Let's try it out. Oh, we can do it directly from the from here. You see, you have the shout out button directly in the chat box. So when you click this hamburger menu, you do have shout out. Let's see if it works. Error getting clip 401. Yeah, we do have that also for Lumia link. Are we not able to do that? Give me a second. So it doesn't work for that. It doesn't work because it's a bot. Can we give a shout out to myself? Let's check. Apparently that works. I don't know why it didn't work for you, because you do actually have clips. Oh, look at this. Was that audio coming from the clip? Oh, it was coming from here. Yeah, forgot to close it. Apparently, you do not have clips over here. This channel has no clips currently. Yeah. So, for example, on our side, when we go to our channel and go to clips, we do have clips over here. So the person that you need to shout out needs to have it here. That's within the last week. Filter by. Oh, it's filtered by last week. Oh, okay. Oh, I have to click all the time. Yeah, and then are showing. But why didn't give the shout out then? Let me debug it a bit. Okay, debug started. And let's actually give the shout out again. Let's see why. Does it need to be just 1 week old? No. No, it worked. So the clip is working. I'm gonna make it a lot less noisier there. So, yeah, I guess it's not a bug. I think it's something on your end, DJ Guns. But yeah, I tried first time and it did give me the 401 error. I don't know if I... I don't think that will gonna be an issue. You're filtering by data, by date. Okay. So what we're gonna go and do today, guys. Because we do not have too much things to test. It's I'm just gonna try to map the variables from stream elements. So I'm gonna talk with you guys a lot more in the chat. Maybe we can play some with some custom overlays again if you want to. What, in the app, in the Lumiastream, how to change the filtering by date? Let me check if there is an option over here. So under the shoutout command. Oh, why it's turned off for me? That was weird. I think I do have something that is changing the state. I'm gonna check it. Right. So you have a get random clip, get only featured clips, max time for clip, and then the duration. Maybe you're placing the time for your clip a bit too low and doesn't find a clip that it's less than the value that you're placing over here. So for example, if I set over here to be only 5 seconds, it'll only gonna get the clips that have maximum length of 5 seconds. So I'm placing over 60 just to make sure that I'm capturing the clips. You have yours at 90 seconds? Yeah, but I was having the featured clips as well. Let me try it again. Let me do it again. No, it actually works fine. Try using the chat command. I don't know if I can use the chat command because I'm also as bot. Maybe on Kick it's working. On Twitch it's definitely not working like that. It does work. I don't have over here the layer though, so because I changed the scene, but I can place it back. Viewer queue entries. See, now it's pulling up the video as well. And we're gonna make but it does look like it's working on Cake. And in the chat bot we can say, ooh, when you're coming in, everything it's becoming very red and purple. Oh, and it's blinking. I need to change that. And then we're gonna where you came in on Twitch. Okay, entrance. You do have an entrance? Oh yes, you do. And apply. Oh yes, you do. You're trying to play with an animation on me. So we'll do no light change. I'm just gonna welcome you in chat. Hey, Jonathan. The new command, it's not available on these streams. The new command, it's only available on my channel. But we can set up really quickly something like that. So we can place the HUD effects. I don't think we have HUD effects. It's on screen right now. We have a layer of HUD effects, but I want a full screen HUD effects. Or not a full screen, just a... I think we can use this one. Yeah. Let's place this one to go around here. Okay, save, let's copy. HUD effects. Jonathan, it's a different channel. I'm not having my own commands. Jelly FX frag. Any special news? Well, we're still waiting for your submissions of the custom code overlay. If you didn't know until now, maybe it's a good reminder. So, if you're not already signed and trying to create a custom overlay using the custom layer that we have, we do have a tournament. We started on last Saturday, and we're gonna be finishing by this Saturday. And the prizes were gonna be a $300 cash prize, plus a lifetime subscription on Lumiastream. So, yeah, if you didn't know until now, this is what we're currently having on board. But this stream is basically to support you guys if you have issues or you want to create something, I'm all here for that, to help for the next 2 hours. And I don't really have a lot of work for testing because we are building some nice features right now that will gonna take some time. So they're split in 6 weeks, and every week needs to be something done, and then I can actually do have some testing to do. But that's on the other side of supporting you guys. But overlay creating, it's not my thing. Well, yeah, well, maybe it's not for everybody, but it's kind of easy to do it right now because we do have also our own GPT assistant that can help you to create code. So if you do have a good idea in the chat, I'm gonna try to make it happen by the end of the stream. So we do have the hot effects browser, hot effects. Okay. I don't think we have this layer. Yeah, it's a different size. Okay, now we have HUD effects. So for example, we can have a HUD effects for this placement where it says HUD effects 22. Let's try to do that real quick. Oh, this is the duck that is disappearing. I want the one that are actually running. Yeah, I'll use this one. And I'll give it on a chat command. I'm gonna say ducks. And we're gonna go on advanced overlay. We're gonna go on HUD effects and select the HUD effects 22 layer. And then if you type !ducks in the chat, we're gonna see some ducks hovering on the screen. Something like this. Oh, I have it twice. Oh, that's fun. I have twice the same... Oh, I think I know why. I think I placed it in the global nest scene. Yeah, I did place it over there. All right. That's fine. I can't delete it from here because it's already there. All right. So we do have something. We don't want to spam the chat when that's happening, so we're gonna disable chatbot. And we're gonna hit apply. All right. What we're gonna create today? Should we ask ChatGPT to give us an idea of a mini game in chat? Maybe we're gonna finish it by the end of the stream. What do you guys say? Are you up for that? First, we have a question. Is there a possibility that the last 5 subs and gift subs roll over? Now it only shows the one is gifting and not the ones that are getting the gift subs. Good point. So you want to have like the last 5 subscribers to show on a list or something like that, not just the gifters. Or maybe you can actually create that to show an alert when somebody gifted, and then to show also the ones that received the gift subscription. Do we actually have that inside Lumia? If not, we're gonna have to grab it from the custom code, which is not that hard. Let's actually try to do one. Get subs after gifting it. Let's check. So we're definitely gonna create a custom layer. Well, I made my own overlay with the names, who follow, and who subs, who rated, etc. Yeah, you can definitely make that. But you want what exactly? Haiti. So what do you want to achieve? You want, if you do have already the names who follow and the one who did subbed, or you don't have the gifted guy, or you have just the gifted guy and not the subscriptions that he gifted. What do you want to get? And we can ask GPT if you want to actually create that for us. That's actually a good idea to test our assistant. The people who sub, their names are showing, and the one who gifted, but the names they get subs don't roll. Okay. So if I sub, then it'll gonna show. If I gift, it'll gonna show, but it'll not gonna show the ones that I already gifted. So people that got subscriptions don't really get the subscription shown. Well, I think that it's on Twitch over here when you get the alert done. Where's the gifted? It's under the subscriber. So you can treat multiple gifts as one alert over here, or you can disable that, and we're gonna be every sub will gonna be an alert itself. Fix the issue by reconnecting to Kick after the last update. That's why it wasn't working. Oh, okay. Most probably, after an update, might require you to reconnect your platforms. Just because we might actually change something like the settings, and they need to to be updated basically with the new settings. You mean in the overlays over here? So on the Twitch last subscriber, it doesn't actually show when somebody gifted. That's what you're saying? You're just saying the one that gifted the subscriptions, right? Can we actually test that? So that's the last subscriber. And let's try to go on alert on overlays live. And we're gonna go on Twitch subscriber. And we're gonna say this is 5 gifted subs. Yeah, but it doesn't show. You're right, because it's just gonna take the username from Lumiastream, and we're just gonna emulate the 5 subs over there. So if I click it, I get that. But it doesn't show to whom it was gifted, because this is not a real event. But let's try with a real event. Let's try to reproduce a real event. let's see here if we do have filtered for just Twitch. We have just shoutouts over here. Just shout out subscriptions. Oh, Cove gifted the UI Thinker a subscription. Let's actually test with that. We have one event that we can actually retest. So yeah, I'd say gifting to 1 subs. It's still the last subscriber. It's Ahad Cove over here in the labels. Let's see. Latest Twitch subscriber, session Twitch subscribers, Twitch current subscribers. I think this one you're gonna get it to roll your whole Twitch subscribers. Currently we just have 3. So how to show the gifted, it's not the last one. So I'm not gonna show the last subscriber. Yeah, and then we have the count. And that's it. So we're getting the last Twitch subscriber. But this is, if somebody gifted a subscription, I think it'll not gonna be able to show over here because this is not the gifted. This is just the Twitch last subscriber. So the one that received it, it'll gonna show over here. I think we need to add this to the variables. We don't really have it, like to, but from my point of view, the Twitch last subscriber, even if it's a gifted subscriber, it should show here as the last subscriber, right? Can you mock a real gifted subscription, Cove? Like to emulate the real event inside Lumia? To mock it? Because that will gonna be helpful to actually test with a real event. Like I mean I do have the your event list when you gifted to UI Thinker the subscription, but since you just recently subscribed again, now it'll gonna just show you. And here shouldn't show the gifter, right? Because it's a last subscriber. Maybe gifter should have a different variable. Yeah, we're not having the gifter over here. Twitch last follower, last clip, last raider, last subscriber. Yeah. I have an overlay with the names per name, so I also like that name to come by at one piece. I have a bar in my view that is the entire stream, that the entire stream is visible. So you're having the subscribers test subgift. Okay, I'm trying it out. Give me a few seconds. There we go. Gifted 5 subs. Now I'm gonna play the alert 5 times because I do have it treated as an individual alert. Wow, my eyes are flashing. And I do see in the chat over here that it showed up as they were received. Well, not here. It showed in Lumia link. So let me bring Lumia link on this side. I see that DJ Node gifted, Thinker gifted. So all the names are shown here, but this is just mocking an actual alert. But yeah, it's not showing in the labels. Even they are showed over here. But yeah, I think we need to show that in a variable. Maybe a variable with all the users that received the gifted, separated by comma or something. Would that work? Would that work for you, Haiti? Like, oh, don't share it. You create it. But if you want to me to build it right now live, I'll be happy to. I'll create a ticket for the gifted subs variable. Okay. And it's assigned. Bro, thank you for the applause. Did we have an applause shown on the screen? I don't know if I set that up properly. Do you know the raffle system in Stream Elements? No, I used Stream Elements in the past, like 3 years ago, and I had a very bad experience with them. I was just creating my merch for my channel, and I ordered like some t-shirts for me, and they never arrived. And after a month, I contacted them. They said, well, I still need to wait because they do have, I don't know what problems. And then I waited for 3 months, and I said, hey, I want my money back. You know what? I can print them over here and just do it because I have all the graphics and everything. And they say, oh, why did you contacted us so late? Now, because it's been past 90 days, I cannot actually give you a refund or anything. So at that moment, I decided to stop collaborating with Stream Elements. So I had, when I hear it, I have a bad taste in my mouth. Yeah, I would say the same thing. I would say exactly the same thing. So I think I'm the only guy that has on their side of merch variables filled in with my username, and I don't have any products from them. We do have a raffle system in Lumia, and I do actually like it a lot. So, for example, you can create a raffle, you can place a title, and then you also have animations for the raffle. You can place it as an overlay. Do you have one already created? No. So you can have a raffle over here, and then people can join in, and then we're gonna be like choosing a winner. I didn't check it, but now since you pointed it out, I will gonna check it to see if they have it better than us or something like that, or us needs to be updated for some reason. But what's the point of it? They can redeem it by channel points on Twitch. We can do that same, I think. Yeah, we definitely can. Do you want me to create to show you how to do it? All right, let me show you how to do it. We're gonna create a test raffle. I'm gonna place it over here. Let's just make it this size. I don't want to have it bigger than necessary. So it's 700 by 700. And let's save it and copy the URL. We're gonna bring it on the screen. All right. Now I do have the raffle over there. And we can close this. And by default, when you go to raffle over here, test raffle description, let's test out Twitch points. Maximum entries is gonna be 1. And we're gonna go and wait a second. We're not gonna create it yet. Give me a second. Because on the commands, on the chatbot commands over here on the raffle, everybody can join, right? So we don't really want anybody to join. We do want everybody to join, but not with the exclamation mark raffle. We want them to join via Twitch points. So we're gonna disable this. I'm just gonna leave streamer activated so I can join. And can we actually create the command to call the chatbot command? Or can we create a command that has a join raffle? Raffle entry, username. Gonna place the username, his username. I'm gonna add the action. I'm gonna save. Let's call this one join raffle. And as well, nobody can actually execute this one. I'm gonna create our own custom command raffle. I'm gonna click apply. So let's see. I don't think we did apply that. Oh, we did. Okay, we did. It's just not showing over here right now. I'm just gonna show when I go back in it. All right. So let's move this one out of the way. And from that command, we can import it as a Twitch point. So we're gonna import this one. Join raffle. And this will gonna be, let's edit this one to have like 10 points to enter. And user level, we're gonna be able to, I know, wait a second. This is for command. But does it matter the user level on Twitch points? I don't think it really matters. Let's just leave it like this. All right. So now I'm gonna start the raffle. Make it for everyone, but I didn't want to. It'll ignore if they aren't in the user level. For Twitch points? All right. But they still cannot use the chat command, right? Yeah, the chat command is still at streamer level. All right. So just the Twitch point, it's actually different. So let's see. There you go. We are joining the raffle using the Twitch points, because why not? So Cove just entered. Added for kick points also. Yeah, I can do that exact same thing. I'm gonna go to kick points. I'm gonna import the join raffle. I'm gonna make sure that everything is selected. I'm gonna place to 1 point over there. Let's apply. But first, let's copy the name because we're gonna be having exact same name. The only problem, Cove, is that am I connected with the Lumiastream account? Oh yes, I'm connected to Lumiastream. So now I can go into my creator dashboard. And under, it was under community, right? Yeah, community, channel points, create new, join raffle. Let's give it a purple color. The cost will gonna be 1 and create reward. Now, you should be able to activate join raffle from Kick as well. There we go. So now we're getting entries from Kick, and we are seeing them here. So we have Cove, Row, and GLX frag inside right now by just using channel points. And the people must type !join to participate. What you're referring to the message when I created the command? Yeah, so basically you can go into your chatbot commands and go into your raffle, and then either I don't know, this is just for when they enter. They don't need to type anything. You can just join with the channel points. All right. So if you want to pick a winner, gonna stop the raffle. I think I didn't place it to limit to one entry. Anyway, you cannot join multiple times over here, but I could actually limit the point redeem to be just one per user, and that will not gonna make it redeemable multiple times. Yeah, I know, but I saw that you were about trying to get it again, and I was trying to explain why I'm not gonna see your name over here twice. And if you pick the winner, gonna have the spinning there. And Slacking Dad just won the test raffle. Well, what can I do? What can I do? I was just trying to test it out. So yes, you can create raffles by doing that, and you can make also another thing on the alert on when the raffle winner is actually announced. You can actually turn those Twitch and Kick points off, so they will not gonna be triggered again or appearing on your list. So you can, right now you have to go manually and do this, but you can also place it directly on the alert to actually trigger the state of it. And on the Twitch point settings, you have here pause instead of disabling reward, and by default this is turned on. So what that means, when you turn a Twitch point or a Twitch point off, it will still gonna appear in the list, but it's not gonna be redeemable. It's just like paused. But if you disable this one, the redeem completely disappears from the list, and then when you activate it back from the Twitch point list, it will gonna reappear over there back. Is there a way I can show you what I mean? It's easier with a photo. Yeah, you can send us the photo on our Discord channel. You can place it in the community support, and I'll try to grab it from there. Lumia is a hack client. Where'd you saw that? This is not a hacking client. This is more than a chat bot, and this is more just controlling your lights. You can do so much things with Lumia than like any others on the interweb. You're referring to the internet? Interweb? What's that? Lumiastream, it's a hacking tool. Huh? Another name for internet. Hi, give me the article. Let me check it out. Let me check it out as well. Let's see. Oh, you don't have a link? You don't even know how to spell right. I guess we're gonna have the first ban on the stream. Let's test it out. I guess it worked. Now you cannot have everybody, right? Hey, Apollo. Welcome. Lumia is the heart of my stream. Best thing ever made for streaming. Yeah, I definitely agree with that. When I find it out about 3 years ago, I tested out, like creating some small things. Then I tried the premium version for a week. I think I bought 1 month of subscription, and then I decided, but you know what, this is way too cool. I'll gonna go for lifetime. That's what I did. Okay, I'm still waiting for it, Heidi. Yeah, I'm DJ. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, no problem. Take your time. You said you have an idea of creating an overlay. Let me know. We'll see if our GPT assistant can actually create that. I'm busy looking for a good photo. Oh, you're in a very right place to be. You can, if you have issues or questions, I'm here to help. This stream, it's dedicated for you guys to be supported live. And if you do have like questions, you can type !Q, and it will gonna appear on the top of my screen over there. So right now, our question queue is empty. But welcome in. All right, since you guys are not telling me what to implement today, I'm checking the image. Yeah, I'm sorry. I can actually zoom it in a bit for you guys as well. I don't really understand, since it's a different language, but you do have a raffle for 100k crafties, and they are needing to type !join to join. You can do that as well with an exclamation mark, but I don't see that they are using channel points. You said they were using channel points. We did that. So yeah, I see this one that joined, right? But I mean, I really love to have a game in Lumia that is looking like that. Yeah, but that's just chat, right? You don't have an actual overlay for it. So they are just saying in the chat, you're doing the joins, and then at the end, you're picking a winner. So you can actually place custom messages in your chat. if you go into your commands and chatbot commands, and then under the raffle over here, this is when you're getting the enter current raffle, right? And you're gonna have, where's the alert of raffle start? And here it's where you're actually customizing your message. Let me actually make it a bit bigger. So this is where you're customizing your message that comes in the chat. For right now, it's the raffle entry command. They're gonna pop in the chat, and you can, of course, modify it. You can introduce here whatever you want. You can also introduce the raffle description if you want to. So I don't really understand what, at least from this photo from here. This is just that the raffle started, type exclamation mark join to join, and then it's going for it. And I think these messages are manually placed by you afterwards, because they don't have like a pattern from the timestamp. And this is the point system. I'm looking for a better way to show. I really don't understand what. So if you want to change the messages, like I said, you can place it here. If you want more customization, you can go and once the raffle started, for example, you can add to actually trigger a command that it's actually saying that in the chat, or you can go and create an automation for it using the variables from the raffle, and then I don't know, every minute, for example, if you place like this is gonna run every minute, or you can, yeah, it's 0 /*. This will gonna be every second. But if you place it at 0 exactly at every minute after it passes 0 seconds, it'll gonna place the message. So you can make a scheduler over here that has a chatbot message, and it's using the message from the raffle. And then we're gonna be automatically posted until you can have an alert for when it's raffle stop to actually disable that automation. If you want to automatically post that same message to actually join the raffle. Can you set up a raffle where Lumia points will be removed once they activated? If like they bought a raffle ticket with their points, but if they don't have enough, it would not allow them to purchase a ticket. Yeah, so like I did it for the Twitch points right now, where you could join the raffle only via the Twitch points or the Kick points. You can do the same for a chat command, like I created the join raffle over here, and I can say this raffle command, we're gonna use loyalty points, and the points for joining will gonna be, I don't know, 5,000 points to actually enter the raffle. And then if I do that, then it will gonna go into your loyalty points, and I'm gonna check the users, and only the guys that have currently 5,000, which currently none of us have, not even the bot itself, he cannot enter. So you can definitely do that. And even easier than creating the Twitch points, or just place it directly in the custom raffle command. Because over here you can, in the custom raffle command, you can actually place a raffle entry. A sword button would be nice for the point list. Yeah, I totally agree with that. I might actually create a ticket for that as well. Because if you go in the loyalty points right now, where's this one? So where's me? For example, I have 109k, right? But if I have like 600 and I save, I'm still gonna be third place over here in the list, because it's currently filtering by all time points, not the current time points. So maybe a filter for the current time and all time, or alphabetical order would be better. Oh wow, just because I introduced my points back after removing them, now my all-time points got a bit up. But that's fine, I can go 0 with it. So you send another picture. Yeah, we don't have the messages over here because the messages are from the start message where it says the command. It's from the alert. And this is I joined and I have the remaining points. This is from when it joined. The second message was when it joined, right? So over here, yeah, it's a bit more spread out, but you can achieve exactly the same thing if you want to. Yeah, but you still can achieve that even if it's like separated things. So basically, when you start the raffle, you're gonna trigger a raffle alert. So you're gonna find it in alerts, Lumia, and raffle start. This is your message, your start message, where you say, hey, this started with the title, and this is the command to enter, right? And you can place this one to go on all platforms, of course. And after you send this message, then you have the message that when somebody joins, and you can place here in the chat bot, we can enable and say username joined the raffle. And if you are using points system as well from Lumia points, you can say this is gonna be the point cost for the command, right? Join the raffle. He spent this amount of points from his total, and then we're gonna get the points, his total user points. And instead of message here, it should be user. And then you can say also the points. License to Sin. Welcome and thank you for the follow. Yeah, you can place also the currency name. So the command should look something like this if you're when they are actually joining. If you want to have a custom command for them when they join, so you can apply that. So, and now you want to have another command when they end. We're gonna be again in the alerts. And then we're gonna be on raffle stop, and the raffle stop, it's over here. Title has stopped. Winners will gonna be drawn soon. Then we have another alert when the winner is actually selected. Show it in the chat. That's actually really nice of you to do. They are saving points every month, and you pick a winner who wins. Yeah, that's actually a great idea. Or the one is number one at the end of the month. Yeah, the one that has the most points, right? Your most loyal viewer. That makes total sense. But yeah, I mean, you can do everything that you showed me over there, but you have to be, but like I said, in a bit more places like raffle start, raffle stop, raffle winner, and when the join it's actually activated. But you can definitely do that inside Lumia. And you just need to set it up once, right? Because if you are placing the raffle variables inside, then when you create a raffle over here, you're gonna pick up your raffle title and your raffle description, so they know for what they are actually battling for. Would you happen have a MIDI device available to show how to set up? Unfortunately, no. Not yet, but I might actually plan to get a smoke machine, and I'm gonna see if actually we're gonna run with MIDI, or I'll try to see what devices are supported for that protocol, because I also need to test it out. But unfortunately, as per right now, I don't actually have a MIDI device to set up and show you. Oh, the music was kind of loud, was it? I just noticed the volume there. Well, if you have time at one point, you can actually get the hands on me on Discord, and maybe we're gonna set it up together. So after I'm gonna help you do that once, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to actually understand how to do other things. Hey, GLAgs Frag, welcome back. All right, so I'm sorry, but I don't have a MIDI device right now. Maybe Cove has, but I think he definitely has. Let me actually ask him. Okay, but I'm gonna remove that and go to the next question. Where do you change the background image for your chat? Oh, you mean for my Lumia link chat over here, right? So Lumia chat, it's a dockable chat that you can get it from inside Lumia link over here. So you can click dock chat. You can bring OBS, and then inside docs, custom browser docs, you can place your link there. Then you can open it as a window and dock it inside OBS. Sorry for that. And if you want to change the image of it, you can click this wheel on the top over here, and then you have the background image URL. So you need a URL. I didn't check it with local files, but right now I don't have it. And if I place the background image back, then it's like that. You can place it to have a blurriness over there. And now I have the chat again. Well, I think I clicked by mistake to clear the chat, so that cleared as well. And we have also the mode actions. So I can delete the message, I can copy the message, I can translate and do shoutouts for Kick right now. And there's a bit more for Twitch. Let me place my chat back on docking station. So you can turn it off. Yeah, I can turn the background off. I don't know if I missed any chat because I clicked by mistake the reset chat over there. Speaking English, it's easier for me than typing. Nice. Rockhan the Queen just followed. Thank you for the follow. So we can definitely make a call on Discord, and we can fix that up. But for creating a game, something like that, but different. I'm not following. What you're not following? GLI. Now I'm back with the chat. So let's ask GPT. Give me a good and fun mini game that I can mini game idea that I can place inside Lumia custom layer. Let's see what will gonna happen. Oh, the followage. I don't know if we are having that. Are we having followage for Kick? We have the Twitch followage, but I don't think we do have the Kick followage. Yeah, I don't think we have that. Not yet. It's still gonna show the message there because it's a command from that we have on Twitch. I think it's on the chatbot commands, but yeah, it doesn't actually get the ones from Kick. Kick has followage. All right, then I'm gonna create a ticket. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, ticket created. So we have from ChatGPT, chat target smash minigame. A target like a balloon, monster, or emoji appears randomly on the screen. Viewers type !hit in the chat to smash the target before it disappears. If they're fast enough, a fun animation plays, like the target pooping, exploding, and their name appears as the winner. Key features, random. So let's see what ChatGPT gave us in just one prompt. Let's see. Custom layer. Let's make this one. I think that's gonna be enough. We have the CSS as well. And we have the JavaScript logic. Alert chat, event detail type. And I want my actually I'm gonna place the code. Oh, they placed also the code ID over here. Oh, this had been updated. All right. Because I was looking for the code ID. Usually didn't place it, but now it did. So chat target game will gonna be its code ID. And then we have some configs as well with a multi-select. And it's hidden for the chat alert. Really good. Chat triggers start to show and hit to smash. Okay, but start. Well, let's test it out. And help me generate the full layer code. Ready to paste. I already received it, right? Let's save it. So let's go and say start. See what's happening. I'm actually more curious than you are, guys. Or exclamation mark start. I don't see anything happening. Yet I have a command created. So I have the HTML, we have the CSS, we have the JavaScript. Oh, a dual. We do have the dual open, yeah. So exclamation mark start to show target. And exclamation mark hit to hide it. But I didn't saw anything. Can you guys type exclamation mark start in chat to see if something appears? Because it didn't work for me. Yeah, for some reason this doesn't really work. So let's actually preview and see why it's not working. I just made the color black there. So I did typed, but nothing happened over here. Let's debug a bit the code. Game area, spawn target. Oh, but it doesn't have anything to spawn. So it does the spawn target. Maybe I didn't create it big enough? No. Okay, let's ask him to introduce some images for that one. Bot should say something to me if I use dual. Well, you were challenged. Oh no, you challenged Cove. But Cove, I don't think it's here in the chat. Okay, so he updated us with some pictures. Let's actually check these pictures. See if they're... What's that? That's not a picture. So apparently that list of pictures are absolutely not working. Cute master, let's see. That's not even working. What the heck? ChatGPT, it's just doing ChatGPT. I'm gonna test them out. No, they're not working. None of them are working. He doesn't know. Okay, I'm gonna just say show a red square instead of images, since you don't know how to get actual images. All right. If you want to duel, you can duel me. I'll gonna try to accept it in time. Let me open Kick. Oh, I'm with Lumiastream, so go and challenge Lumiastream if you want to, or somebody that's actually active in the chat. I don't think I can do duel. I cannot do because I'm a bot. Darn. Or maybe I can do it from... Yeah, we can do it from a different platform. So I'm gonna duel you from Twitch. Oh, duel it's on cooldown. It's fine. Oh, I did send you the duel. GLX frag. You've been dueled. Ooh. I got dueled on Kick. Don't think that worked. I don't think I can accept it from Twitch because by default it doesn't listen to commands. But I can try. No, it doesn't listen to me. On Twitch, it doesn't allow me to do that. And you can place the @ sign as well. It doesn't really matter if it's with the @ or not. Yeah, the duel was over. We didn't respond in time. All right, so let's see if that code that was updated by ChatGPT works now. So by default, red square game now it's called. Okay, let's save it. Let's test it with a start. Does it have the same logic behind? Let me check it. So yeah, it's checking for the message. It's data info message. Don't think it's like that. Don't think it's like that. Yeah, so it's type. The type should be a message, and then the payload should be inside the data. So I think he's not actually properly getting it right. I don't think it's getting it right. I don't think the info option is there. So type should be an alerts chat, and message if it's a message inside. All right. Let me check the questions. Can you set up a raffle where Lumia points will be removed once they activate it if they bought a raffle ticket? I think I already answered to that. But if they don't have enough, it would not allow to purchase a ticket. Yeah, I did answer that. Guys, I'm gonna take a short 2-minute break, and I'll be back with creating this red square game, apparently.
You won't believe it in person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe that you would need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream.
All right, we're back. We are back. We are back. So let's actually copy the new code over here and tested it out. I think we did save it, right? Let's actually make it full screen so we can see it. So game area, yeah, it's 100%. Shows the winner as well. Apparently it didn't change. Just a thing or two in the JavaScript and on configs. So it's listening to the chat alerts. Oh, I don't think I had the events over here placed. Darn. That might actually cause that. So let's see now. If I go ahead and type start. Hello. Oh, I typed with Lumiastream. Let me type with my username. No, it's definitely a bug somewhere. Oh, you mean this one? Thanks. Why it's not listening? Okay, let me place the console log. Maybe at least we're gonna see something. So when it gets a message over here, and if type not alerts chat, we're gonna return. If message equals start, we're gonna see spawn creature. So let's actually place here a console. Spawning. I should actually see that in my debugger over here. So let's trigger it again. So it does say spawning, so it enters over there. So the problem, it's not a command. It does get the command and gets inside over here. But target visible false creature. It does get the creature style left percentage, top percentage, and remove class hidden. But that creature should be something, right? Creature class hidden and creature.hidden display none, but creature should have 100 by 100 color red. I think it does not remove the class hidden. So let's actually remove it just to actually see something. And it's not there. So position absolute with 100. Background color red. Cursor pointer. Transition. And then it has creature hidden. It should show over here in the area, not a problem. I don't understand why not. Let's just remove this for now. Why does it not show at all? We don't have an error. The JavaScript is fine. But if it's removing the class over here, hidden, it should show, but apparently it doesn't show anything. Let's try to do another div. Okay. So this doesn't show anything. That's weird because it has 100 by 100. It has a background color in the radius. I wonder if the transition has something to do with it, but it doesn't. Or the game area, it's hidden by default. Yeah. No. No, it's not. It's just the overflow, it's hidden. There is something in JavaScript that it's hiding that. Like the game itself. No, there's nothing modifying the game area. This is so weird. Let me get it outside. No, it's something it's hiding inside the game area, as you can see over here. But what? Position relative, width 100. Let's not give it a position. Game area. I can remove it and it should show. This is a bit weird. Why the game area, it's actually hidden. If I have an old Stream Elements widget, is there a way to convert it to Lumia somehow? That's exactly what I'm working right now, to map the variables from Stream Elements. And we will gonna build a way to actually import. So you can export your Stream Element widget and then import it automatically inside Lumiastream. So that's gonna be a feature that is coming in. I think in 9.0, if I'm not mistaken, in about 7 weeks, something like that. So not just your overlay, but other overlays as well. So why the game area, it's hidden? Because this doesn't make any absolute sense, because it's not hidden over here. Everything is fine. And hide creature. Creature is creature. And then it's the red square game. That's fine. I'm not hiding that element. And for some reason, even if I modify this game element, it does not. And now it shows. But for some reason, this game area, I'm gonna place another A. For some reason, that game area, it's hidden by default for whatever reason. Apparently that works. So I just gotta place a red dot randomly on the screen. And then we're gonna have to type hit before it disappears. I don't know the delay, but I think it needs to stay a bit longer there. So right now it's staying 5 seconds. We're gonna make it 15 seconds. Alright, so I can send it from kick. And now you have your red dot over there. You can type exclamation mark hit to actually... oh, there you go. That winner stayed a bit too small on the screen. We can increase that time. Row was faster. So show the winner. Let's show it for 10 seconds. So can we actually get... Oh, that was fast. Can we get actually to show, you know, the game that we were playing when we were a child, where we're gonna have like to smack the thing, the frog that was showing up, and to get points? Can we get that animation to show up over here instead of that red? Let me search for one. Give me a second. How's that game called in English? Because I do have the Romanian one. Yeah, whack-a-mole. Yeah, whack-a-mole. That's what I need. And I just need a GIF. Let me see if I can find a really good one. Okay. I need one that actually stays up for a bit. There are so many fun ones. I'm actually share it with you guys. Oh, this one is cool. Let's actually get this one. Alright. So we can place that inside. So the creature class list. Creature background URL, I think it was. it's not like that. I'm very bad with JavaScript. Background, and then we're gonna be URL. Let's actually remove this one. But it's not actually animated. Oh, you know what? Instead of doing this, we can place inside the div our image. Oh, not that part, buddy. The image part. So if I remove this one, there you go. Nice and big. I'm gonna paste it with 100. Okay, but we're gonna appear randomly. Let's see if we're gonna appear randomly. It's rocket science for you. Well, I am a Java developer, usually working every day with the backend. I know front end as well, because I was before this I was a full stack developer, but that happened like I don't know, 2000 and what? 2012. So what's that? That means 13 years ago. 13 years ago, I was a full stack developer. Now I'm a Java developer. So let's see if it actually shows what it needs to. Oh, there you go. You can see it pumping up over there. Randomly on the screen. So it's gonna appear somewhere different. And if we hit, we missed it. I missed it. So I have to type exclamation mark hit to hit it. But we're gonna go and say, hey, I'm gonna update his code because I'm gonna say I did this for the JavaScript. No, the JavaScript is fine. Just HTML modified. Why this shows that it's actually disabled for whatever reason. I don't understand why this SRC shows like this. Like the color, it's like disabled. That's weird. And I want to say that I need an animation. Where is it? Where's my ChatGPT tab? There it is. I want when someone types it to make hammer sound and have a hammer animation smashing the red square. Let's see. So I have another object over here that is called hammer, and it has a hammer. It's funny, it's so small. Okay, and then we have, I'm not gonna take care about that. I'm just gonna take the hammer. Hammer hidden and hammer. And hammer smash. Okay. There we go. And do we have JavaScript update? I think we didn't modify anything on JavaScript. But now it just modified from the red square to hammer game. So I'm gonna update that code ID over there. So I'm gonna save and let's see, start. Someone hit him. Did the animation played? I didn't saw anything. Ooh. But it just shows a hammer on top of it where the other one was. Not so much with animation. Not so much animation going on, to be honest. Yeah, that disappears pretty quickly because it's again they left it at 5 seconds, right? Yeah. Let's make it 15. And this one 10 seconds. And animate hammer 1 second. Okay. Let's test it now. That was way too fast. I don't think I even covered the delay from Twitch. Yeah, it shows for like 1 second and then makes the hammer disappear. And this one we're gonna stay for 10 seconds. I mean, that's not a bad mini game. And the nice thing is you can make it appear randomly. So I can, instead of actually typing exclamation mark start in the chat, we can do like to have it set by the send to custom overlay command, and that can be automated inside Lumia. So the first one to hit it, yeah. The first one that types hit wins, basically. It's gonna appear on the screen, and the first one that types exclamation mark hit, we're gonna win. So that's how it's currently placed, and I'm gonna say I want to start the mini game via let me give the exact thing. Overlay. Sorry. Set custom and custom overlay content. Yeah, send custom overlay content action inside command. So I can place that. And it says, perfect, that's exactly where Lumia's overlay send custom content shines. This is how you can trigger the minigame without needing the chat commands, using custom codes and custom overlay inside as a command. So let's see, it's still waiting for somebody to type hit. But I don't want, I just want the command start. I want the command to be start, but the hit to be just chat. So let's go back into that overlay. You gonna end because says 0000 on live support. Well, basically, we didn't have too much to test today on Lumia's side, so I dedicated this one just for live support. So right now we're building a mini game, Kira. We're building a mini game, like a whack the mole kind of mini game, and we want to have this one command, right? And type custom overlay content. I want to respond to also the hit, message hit, but I will also want, so if not chat return, no. We're gonna go, instead of that, we're gonna go with, if it's alerts chat or this thing, then return, not before that. And we want to have, instead of if message chat, we want to have if command, if message start to spawn the creature. We want to have this one. So that's if command, now it start. And then we're gonna have the command await code ID hammer game, and the command it's start. We were not gonna worry about the hit, because that's gonna work. So I want to check. So let's save this one, and let's edit. Let's edit join raffle right now. I'm gonna go in overlay and then custom overlay content. Let's get this ID. It's still called Red Square Game. For some reason, I didn't save. Wow. Way to go, Radu. Way to go. Now I don't have the hammer over here, and I don't have the. How could I didn't save? Oh, this is bad. I lost a bit of time. Where's that? There we go. And we have the hammer div, right? There we go. And we have also the CSS. There we go. And over here on the JavaScript, I think we did have the this one. Oh. It's good that we copied everything, right? We have it in okay, so we got back. I gotta clip out, guys. Always a chill time. Thanks for doing everything you do. Lumia is the best. Thank you, Ro. Appreciate you being here, and hope to see you soon with more questions or on some releases as well. Because we're gonna have this one as a standard. Okay, I needed this. So message it's alert or this thing. And then you can return. And then we need a constant for the command. So now we have that there, and now we need the command start to spawn the creature. All right, let's save it now. Make sure we click the save button, because we don't want to do the same thing twice. It's all gonna be a JSON, and I think it's command start, and we need a red square minigame, but we're gonna change it to hammer game. Command start, hammer game, and let's test action. Did it show? Nope. So how did you want me to trigger it? Via code ID, hammer game, command hit, or command start. Content. So this should be enough, right? Oh, I think I know what's happening. I didn't like the warper here. And this image has to be with 100. Let's go back. This should be 15 seconds. And this should be show winner for 10 seconds. And do the smashy smash for, let's go, 3 seconds. And now that's shown because we forgot to place class hidden. No? Why it shows? This inside this div, right? Yeah. And oh, we don't have the creature hidden. All right, we're gonna make one. Okay. So let's save. And this doesn't work. The command start doesn't work. Let me double check something. JS command start. If type not alert or type not still custom overlay content and data that code ID doesn't equal the code ID that we have, which is hammer game, which it does have. Sorry, I'm missing a bit of chat. So a quick question before I go. When doing a custom build, does the data tab auto-populate? If you make it to auto-populate, yes. But for example, I just need the event over here. I don't need to have anything else. For example, if you populate the configs over here and people are selecting stuff inside the configs, or you select something inside the configs, yes, then data auto-populates over here by itself. You can leave it blank, or you can just populate it with the things that you want to have. Like for me, I just have events, right? You can place events and then leave it blank. It's gonna auto-populate when somebody goes from this side and actually tries to go into the configuration. Whatever you do here, where do I find it? Just to take a look and play around. I can give you the link to the overlay once I do finish it. I can give you the download link for it. So I don't want to place it in the marketplace right now because we do have a contest for it. But you can, of course, download it and modify it as you wish. I'll give you the overlay ID download link for it. I'll show you also how to actually share overlays with your friends. You don't have to place it publicly to marketplace. You can just share it with your own link. Not the widget. There where you do it. Oh, where I do it? So inside the overlay, you can add a layer and then you have custom. And there's the custom layer over here. You're not seeing it because I have the question queue on top of it. So let's just place it over here. So when you add a layer, you have custom layer over here. And that's the custom layer. And when you click on it, you have manage code and fields over here. And then you have the 5 tabs. So HTML, CSS, configs, and data. You also have some examples to start with. So you have a custom alert where it actually listens to your alerts. You have a custom chat box where it listens to your messages in the chat. Or you have a custom roll dice that it's a mini game that Cove created. Okay, we were at debugging, so I want to see if the creature is starting to get spawn creature. This is getting hidden. Hide creature. Let's actually see if it goes up here. Creature spawned. So I just need this for debugging purposes. Oh, wow. Nice infinity loop there. And I want to test if content start, command start. Ooh. Uncode data is not defined. Data it's not defined. What data it's not defined? Oh, I modified this. No. Oh, I need the events. Yeah, I think ChatGPT already gave me the solution for it, but I know what's wrong. No, he didn't. Oh, look at that. So it still alerts chat. I do think that we need to make it listen to also commands from the config and data tab. Absolutely right. Best practice in Lumia overlays is to make them flexible. Accept commands via send custom overlay or full. Why it's sending me all this again? Data tab example. Start command. Oh, customer overlay content. Yeah, that was missing. So start command, start, or hit command, hit. But I want to actually listen to this one. That's all I need. So I have the alert chat, and then it's a comma, and then it's custom overlay content, right? Oh no, it's the multi-select. Oh, I understand now. I don't even need to do that. I can place, can remove the hide and true from here. And if I save it, Kimberly configs. Oh, I placed a come over there, man. My bad. What do I need? There we go. So I can... Here's just chat messages on the configs. But where's the config? I'll just gonna place the event in the data. That's it. And I can make this one back to hidden. Oh, it's true. Boolean. Okay, so now we do have a way to send. Let's test it. Let's save it and see what it doesn't like now. So when I do send it, data not defined. You have to read a lot there. Oh, there is a roll dice game already? Didn't know that. There's also the duel mini game. It's not there because it's custom made by me. The duel mini game. Let me actually show you how. Just type !duel TG Radu, or I can just duel you and you have to type accept in the chat. I'm actually trying to get to Twitch and do that. You just have to type !accept in the chat in the next 25 seconds for it to work. Oh, where is it? Oh, I don't have it. Not here. There you go. Bring it on in time. Oh, you won. So I can we can do it again just to show you how it is. But why this? Oh, there you go. Yeah, you could hear it for sure, but you didn't saw it. It has also sounds. So let me do you again. And you type something first. And now you can actually see it better. It has also damage, crits, miss. And it's totally random. So the way to get it, you can go into overlays over here, and inside marketplace, you're gonna see the dual time minigame. This is what I created my first minigame. And currently just version 1. I'm trying to actually make it so when you duel somebody to actually use Lumia points, and the winner will gonna get more points, the loser will gonna lose some points, stuff like that. There will not gonna be any draws because I'm using health bars, and it's just randomly who's gonna attack. It's random who's what damage can do. He can actually attack but not do any damage. And yeah, it's I like it. I like it a lot. So I have it there. I have it already installed here. And 600 by 400. Okay, I didn't remember the resolution for it. That's all you need. 600 by 400. Downloaded. A type of Among Us minigame. Yeah, so basically this one, when you download it, it has not just the minigame, but it comes with 2 commands. The !! dual and the ! accept, which are by themselves. They have code inside. So it's just code and it has a cooldown. That's it. And accept as well, it's kind of the same thing. It has some OBS to actually set the source visibility, but it doesn't really need it anymore. I can just remove the display because it's automatically shutting down when the game finishes. And inside here as well, code. But the most of the functionality, it's done inside the overlay. And here I do have like a lot more HTML that I was having before. A lot more CSS because we need to also do the animations. And a lot more JavaScript. Not so much configs, but that's it. It's just waiting for alerts. But yeah, everything is there, including the code if you want to modify it and play around. I just did it as a fun thing to do in about 1 day. And oh, Lumiastream. I don't know if I can answer it. I think I can from Kick. Did that work? Yeah, I cannot answer with Lumiastream because it's not gonna work, but you can always go against me. Like my name. Like that. Now you can accept. Even if you're on Kick. So it's multi-platformed. It doesn't really matter if you're on YouTube, Kick. Oh, I have double the audio from it. No picture. No picture. Do you have a picture on Kick? Or you have the default one? You need to have an avatar. If you don't have an avatar, then you don't. There's a bug. You do have a picture. Darn. I didn't test it with Kick yet. But it's a good way to test it out. It's version 1. It's version 1. So apparently it doesn't take Kick avatars. I tried with YouTube and Twitch. And over there worked fine. Over there it worked fine. We should continue doing this. We should continue doing this. Time flies when you have fun. I'll tell you that. So I'm still wondering why this didn't trigger. Because if I create the command with that code, it works. Oh, I think I know why. I'm so silly. So under the commands on join over here, I think and now I am trying to give it custom overlay content ID, and for content it's waiting for but this is not a command. This is not a command. All right, so let's try it with a command and see if that works. Data top, high delay, alert chat, start command, hit command. I just need the start command. Oh, wait a second. That was the key. So before the events, yeah, I need another layer over here. The start command, it's start. And that's what it's waiting for to receive in the, let's see. I don't think that was it. I don't think that fixed it. Oh, I didn't answer in time. I don't think so. Oh, I did. There you go. Yeah, try to actually fight against somebody in the chat. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, so Twitch works perfect for the dual mini game there. What, on Kick? I don't know. I can check the viewer list. I do love the lurkers. We have 14 people watching on Twitch and 14 on Kick and 13 on Twitch, and together with just one on YouTube. I think it's Jonathan there. Yeah, we have lurkers. So did we place that? Okay, data not defined. I mean data not defined. So when I test the action, just getting the data not defined. Data not defined. Oh, it's not like that. It's EV detail data content command. Okay, so it's a JavaScript error. Data is not a variable because, well, I think he gave me the code for data. I'm not gonna blame GPT for that if he already gave me the creation of the data object. Okay, and here we have data content, data. Oh, wait a second. So I have here command, it's data content command. Type. I don't even have it. Oh, this is for both of them. On event received. Oh, he created for both of it. I have to actually go ahead and do that and see if that works, because this is gonna work even for exclamation mark start in chat even if a command it's used start. So still listening to the chat, and then the start command, and the start command the start command is start over here. That's why they placed it in the data tab example. Because he wants to use that. All right, now I got you. Now I got you, ChatGPT. Now you're speaking Spanish. And you can place it as well over there. Okay, perfect. So it gave me the configs as well. So now I can go over here and then modify the commands to actually start and hit. So that's a bit of flexibility. That's great. When you're doing custom builds, the libraries that Lumia pulls from, is that information on GitHub? No. If you want to, when you create this thing, the only thing that you need is the documentation that it's here below. Libraries, you can include libraries for sure. I know that Cove included some of them. I didn't need it. The only thing that I need is with JavaScript, and I already have that. And I think we can introduce also jQuery as well. We now have a chatbot command section on the left that already includes your dual command. It will handle chatbot, sending the video to the overlay, and much more. Please rename your dual command or delete it. So the chatbot command. Oh, I know. No, the thing is, I left the command as dual. And for me, I went over here and modified inside the chatbot command because we had a dual as well in Lumia. I renamed it to be dual Lumia so I don't have a duplication with the same command. Yeah, that's what it says, because it does have a duplication of a command, because I named it dual to begin with, and there was already one already created by Lumiastream using their point system, but I prefer to have mine, so I placed mine over there. Don't tell Cove. If I want more time to accept, it is on line 25. Let me check. Yes, this is the, well, I placed wait 15 seconds, but I modified it to be 25 because it's giving it more time. So line 25, it's the delay that accepts the other viewer to accept the dual. And it checks if the dual is still pending. It's also gonna store some variables over here. Like I have the challenger avatar, the name, dual pending. Right now it's false because there's no dual. And that's it. Just gonna have more variables when the dual is actually ongoing. Yeah, no problem. Okay, let's get back to our command. So I can remove that message from row. I think I answered to that row. Rodabo. Why do I have? I think I know you. You are on our Discord. Let me check. I found you. Yeah, we talked. We talked a bit. You have a ticket, right? Yeah. Updating the fields with Jason. Alright. We're gonna check that after the stream as well. I was like, where do I know your name? I definitely think that I actually talked with you, but I didn't forget. I forgot where. So let's click nothing and go back up. So now we do have it listening if it's a command. Command user equals someone. If command equal start. Okay, let's see if it works. So the command. So user is someone. I don't know why we needed that. But from where it takes the command from, because this is not gonna work. Oh, this will gonna be the data content. Okay. So we need to have a command. Command start, like that. Let's test. So that didn't work again. What data is not defined? Okay, let's create a command because it doesn't let me like that. I didn't want it to create a command. I mean, I can start with that. Okay. And I have the start command over here, right? Yeah. Let's create it. Let's see. That works, then. Doesn't really make sense. Yeah, it's doing command start. That's exactly what I did. So let's actually check it over here. Uncut and unexpected identifier. Overlay custom content. Ooh. I know I copied the right thing. Yeah. No, I copied the right thing. There you go. It plays over there, but it's way at the bottom, and it's definitely not 100. Okay. I forgot a D over there. That changes everything. Let's test it again. There you go. So I created this thing, but we should be able, instead of doing this, to go directly in overlay and says overlay, send custom overlay content. The content will gonna be this. Command start. And it should have a JSON format. And code ID should be hammer game. And when I tested it out, apparently it's not responding to this. For whatever reason, this one is gonna give data not defined. Yeah, a lot of data not defined. But I don't understand why I do have this. Because if I go on custom code and tested it out, it does work. And it's doing kind of the same thing. It's doing overlay send custom content. code ID hammer game and command start. All right, we're gonna save it from now like this. And if I want to share it with you guys, I can go in overlays. And I don't know why that's stuck. Usually it's a lot faster than this. I'm really not a programmer. So this for me very difficult, but I love Lumia, the whole concept that everything is in one program. Yeah, you can do basically everything. So we can upload the overlay and we can go for the... Did we call it get subs after gifted? Really? Let's rename that. I cannot upload it like with that name. It's this one, right? Yeah. Hammer game. Exactly, that's how we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it Hammer game. We're gonna save it. And now we can go in my uploads, upload overlay, selecting the Hammer game. Well, not gonna make it public to the marketplace because I want to share it with you. I will not lock the custom code because I want you to actually explore and try it out and modify it and increase with it. I'm gonna remove the thumbnail because I don't have that, but we do have that. Where is it? Oh, we don't have it anymore. Okay, no problem. We're gonna cancel it for now. We're gonna go inside of it and we're gonna copy that exact same GIF because why not? I'm gonna take the GIF from here. I'm gonna close it. And then we can upload it. Hammer game. Side games. We're not gonna make it public. We're not gonna lock the code. So you can explore it. And I need to save this one locally. There we go. Give you an upload. Back. We forgot to place the start command. So once you download it, you're gonna be asked if you want to download also the command that comes with it, the bundled command, and you're gonna have to accept it. And you can place that start command to run, I don't know, every 10 minutes on the stream. So a random, I don't know what this guy is. A random beaver appears on the screen. Alright, so we're gonna upload it. And now I have the link in my chat. So if you want to download it, I'm gonna post it inside Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. So that's the link for the overlay. You can download it by just one click it. And then, like I said, we're gonna be asked. So, for example, if I am going to open that URL, we're gonna say, I'm gonna show this one. An overlay has commands attached, so you'll need to be downloaded in Lumiastream. And say you're gonna click Open Lumiastream. Always allow, or just click Open. And over here, where is it? Didn't it work? Why didn't it work? Oh, okay. I didn't need to be in overlays. So now it says download the Hammer game. Do you want to download this overlay? Yes. Download bundled commands? Yes. And then I will gonna have it here, downloaded. on my Lumia. And as well, it created another start, so that's why this one is gonna be called start 068 to whatever. We can delete that, we don't need it. But it's exactly the same code inside the command, and we just made a kind of a whack-a-mole game for the chat. And if you want to automate it, you can just say go to automations and say, hey, I want to call a command. So a chat command, I want to place the command to be start. And I want this one to go, so let's make it faster. Let's go every 3 minutes. So after I'm saving, without, well, come on, lights. Lights, come back, please. There we go. After I'm doing that, in, I guess in 1-2 minutes, we're gonna see, oh, I didn't place it as an overlay. Give me a second. Let's copy this URL. And let's add this one. So now we have it on the screen. And once you're gonna see it on the screen, you just type !hit. You can make it to be also channel point redeem, but I think you want more to increase your interaction in the chat. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Let's see who's gonna show up. Do you think it will? So I'm not hitting the start button over here. I just wanted to automatically show in the chat. In the chat, on the screen. See if that works. You believe in me? Well, sometimes I don't believe in me. So it should run at 3 minutes. So every 3 minutes, I place it to run. So at 00, yeah, I actually know. It should run at 50. 50? We'll see. Hope I did place the right overlay. I don't want to wait. I'm gonna test it first. No, it doesn't work. Darn, we were waiting for nothing. What did I have? I think I have 2 of these games. Let me remove one. I think I had 2 of these games. Both of them have the same ID, and that might actually cause some issues. So let me test it over here. So this doesn't work. That doesn't work. Why? Start command, start. Command, start. Chat messages. Alert chat. But here we have the custom overlay content and also alert chat. So that's fine. I think we missed something. We missed a very important step. We definitely missed something. I'm not gonna end the stream until we're done, guys. I love it when plans come together, right? I actually caught that before you were thinking of it. I I tried it myself and said, hey, this needs to be covered. I don't want people to actually duel themselves. So let's actually place a funny message over there. So I didn't want you guys to actually duel yourselves. Okay, so I have the hammer game over here. What did we miss, guys? Nobody caught it, right? Okay. So what did we miss? Oh, this thing here. Data tab. There you go. I think we didn't save these things, guys. I don't think we saved that things. Okay. Target stays on screen. So it's showing, right? Yeah. So that works. The hammer should show, no issue. Yeah. Alert chat. Creature was spawned. Okay, let's preview it and debug it a bit. Why data it's not defined? Are you kidding me? Data command. Oh, we didn't apply the fix that we had on the other one. Alright, give me a second, guys. This is fine. This is fine. We were having the old JavaScript. That's fine. There we go. Alright. Now I'm gonna re-upload it. Now I'm gonna re-upload it. So it's saved. I think I forgot to save. I think I definitely forgot to save. All right. So if you see a random guy appearing on the screen now, you can smack it with exclamation mark hit. I'm not gonna trigger it because I know it's working. It's just gonna be randomly shown on the screen. Can the chat say who won the duel? Yeah, I can. I can send messages in the chat. But it's just my first version of it. Like I said, I want to also introduce to use Lumia points when you're playing. Did it actually appear on the screen? I actually didn't saw it. Let's make it even faster. 1 minute. Every single minute. Oh. Every single time it's closing my... Did it actually show it on the screen? Come on, I'll wait 1 minute. That's all I'm gonna wait. Is it possible to connect the duel with the entrance alert so that new entry gets a duel from me, streamer? Yes, you can. Yes, I know what you mean. So to basically to automatically duel you and to you to automatically accept it. Yeah, you can make it work like that. Oh, there it is. It's in the center of the screen. Come on, smack it. Oh, it disappears. Where's my sound? No. Darn. They used another sound and this doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah, I saw it. It should actually say something in the chat that the one that who actually hit it. Actually, let me modify that because I do want to see on the screen who actually hit it more time. Because right now I think it's like 3 seconds or something like that. JavaScript. Okay, so spawn creature. Timeout, set timeout, config hide delay or 15 seconds by default. Hide creature, false. Winner display 10 seconds. And this is gonna be 3 seconds for the hammer smash. Okay, that's gonna be the configurations. Oh, it appeared again? Perfect. Unfortunately, I don't think I can actually introduce automations, but definitely the overlay I can, together with a command. So upload an overlay, hammer game, games. Don't make it public, don't include it. Let's remove this using the same file. Review and upload. Oh. We forgot to place a command. Start. That's the only thing that you need. Right. I have the link for it. And I'll just delete the previous one so you're not gonna miss it, not download the same thing again, because that one didn't work. We were waiting for nothing to happen. It'll be very weird if Cove would stream and randomly this thing appeared every minute. Then he will gotta see the chat with the exclamation mark hit. What is going on? Yes, delete it, also the command, and then download it again. That's how we're gonna go. So, yeah. Was a productive day. We created a... Oh, there it just disappeared. Appeared and disappeared. So if you want to make it show more on the screen, more time, you can go inside the overlays for it. And over here in the configuration, you can actually type in how much time you want it to actually stay. So for example, you can place it 20 seconds. Remember that these are in milliseconds, so it's 1000 multiplied by the numbers of seconds you want it to be shown. Then you're gonna click save, and that's it. Now we're gonna update. Now there it goes. We're gonna hit it. He's laughing at you guys. Well, at least I saw the hammer now for a few more seconds and I heard the click sound. So you can modify that that sound as well. So at least those things are working. It's fine. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I don't know who should I stream though. We can stream one of our partners that is currently streaming. I don't know if he's oh, he's actually in talking mode. Okay. Or is he? I don't know what he's doing right now. But yeah, we're gonna stream. We're gonna raid Q-Man Bean over here. So we're gonna go into that. Oh, I cannot raid. I'm not connected to Lumia's account. Okay. So can we do a raid command? I don't think so. I don't think we can actually raid, not even from here. Nah, that doesn't work. And I'm not connected to it. So, I'm sorry. We're not gonna raid anybody. We're gonna have to fix it until till next time. Guys, thank you so much for all the support and all the follows on Kik and YouTube. We're gonna see it on the credits on the end screen. Until Wednesday, love you all and have a luminous day. Bye.
Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it.